have with us Mr. Mohit Mathur, sir, VP, Head HR and Admin, NSDC India. Sir, I, Shikha Mishra, on the behalf of ITS School of Management, welcomes you to the HR Conclave 2024. We went through your session and that was really beautiful. The first thing which comes to my mind is now the entire country and everyone's globally talking about inclusivity and gender diversity. So what is your opinion on gender diversity especially?
Thank you, Shikha, and thank you for the wonderful welcome. Session was really interesting. On inclusivity and gender diversity, I would say it's more about participation in workforce, and I would say that women are equal partners for growth. And from times immemorial, we have seen that in our culture, in our tradition, in our history. Right from the pre-Vedic period to the Vedic period, women were never seen as people who will not participate. So I would say this is relatively a new phenomena which we need to overcome now and bring back the participation of women to the level of where they are seen as equal partners. It would require organizations to take a lot of proactive steps at times, and it might require them to create an environment where they are treated equally, they are treated respectful. And I'm sure that we as corporates will be able to bring about that change. And I'm sure that this is going to happen. This change is happening. We have moved from 23% to 40% at a national level in terms of women participation in workforce. And it's going to increase. The trend is on the uprise. There is a lot of, it's still a lot of scope for improvement. However, it has changed a lot. It is going to change it.
So you basically want to tell us that we have done a lot better and still there is a lot to come when it comes to gender diversity.
Absolutely.
Okay. I would like to know from you, sir, personally, that how was your experience today at IT School of Management with the students and the team, everyone?
I would say wonderful, energetic students. They carry a lovely attitude. They bring a lot of smiles and happiness. And I would say openness to learning. Still learning, yeah, I would say that. I think these are very important traits. And this experience has been wonderful experience. And I wish good luck to all the students.
That's great. Thank you so much. All right. So last but not the least, thank you so much for your presence at ITS and hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.